Hello guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can get high quality edits on the CapCut PC. So if you want to have that high quality video, you can just play around with the adjustments on CapCut. And here I'm going to give you some tips. So first you can just click on your clips on the timeline. And then you can just head to the adjustment in here. And then on the adjust, you can adjust these all of the settings based on or depends on your video. So first you can increase the sharpness on your video to get a better quality. For example, I'm going to just increase it to around 4 or 5, and you can also adjust the or increase the particles a little bit. I'm going to go with 7, and here you can also find contrast and increase it a little bit. Don't increase it too much because it will get like a little bit dark like this. I'm going to just go with 7 or 8. And here you can also adjust or add some brilliance to around 4 or 5. And you can also increase the saturations a little bit on your video. Here, like this, and now your videos will get a better quality. Here on export, you can also try to change the resolutions into 2K or 4K, but I think it doesn't affect much, so you can just adjust it to how you like it and you can export it. So that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.